Hello everyone, this is Harshita and welcome to my channel Loft Academia. Today we will be discussing IMO International Mathematics Olympiad Class 4 Chapter 5 Geometry. So various topics which will be covered in this chapter are as counting of geometrical shapes, solids, types of lines in geometrical figures, identification of type of polygons, properties of rectangle, square, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and circle. Concept of closed and open figure or curve. Perimeter of polygons. Concept of parallel, intersecting, and coinciding lines. Identification of solid forms from the given net. Symmetry. Okay, so let us get started with the chapter. Question number 1. How many squares are there in the given figure? So let us first find out number of squares in this particular figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 so far. Okay. 13, 14, 15 and 16 so far. Then this is 17. Okay. And this one over here is 18, right? This one is 19 and this one is 20. So there are 20 squares in this particular figure, which is option B. Next question. Question number 2. Which of the following is a closed figure? Option A, this is open from here. Option B, open from here. Option C, yes, this is a closed figure. सब साइड से बंद है ना? So that is why this is the answer to this question, and option D is also an open figure. Question number 3. All these figures are all dash. Are they quadrilaterals? No. Quadrilateral is a figure which is having 4 sides, which is this one. But this is a triangle, this is a pentagon, and this one is also pentagon. This has 4 sides, so quadrilateral, 3 sides, so triangle, 5 sides, so pentagon. Okay. All of them are triangle? No, only one of them is triangle. Polygon? Yes. All of them are polygons, right? And that's why option C is the answer to this question. So what are polygons? Polygons are closed figures with at least 3 sides and angles. So what is the perimeter of the given figure? So ये जो particular figure है इसका perimeter कितना है? Okay, now let us look at what has been given as this as a square with side as 2. So ये सब squares है of the same size. So सबके sides will be 2, right? So let me start putting the length for each one of them. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is also 2, 2, this is also 2 centimeter. ये जो particular side है, this is also 2, this particular side is also 2, 2, 2, even this is 2. ये भी 2 है और ये सब sides 2 है, right? Okay, this particular one is also 2, ये भी 2 है, ये वाला भी, ये वाला भी, this one is also 2, and this one is also 2. So now let us count how many 2's we have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We started from here, right? So 22. So 22 times 2 को add करो और you do 22 multiplied by 2, right? So which is 44, option B. Moving to the next question. Question number 5. In the given figure, this is the figure, what is the least number of squares that must be shaded so that the given figure becomes symmetrical along the dotted line? So line of symmetry ये dotted line दी है. Along this dotted line we have to find out कि कितना minimum हमें shade करना है squares, okay, so that this particular figure is symmetrical. So let us start with this particular square. On this line, this is symmetrical, दोनों side में भी blank है, okay, and between these two, okay, I need to shade this so that it will be symmetrical. So मैंने इसको 1 mark किया. Okay, I need to shade this particular square. Okay, over here this is symmetrical, ये भी symmetrical है. Okay, this is symmetrical, this is also symmetrical. Then this is symmetrical, this is symmetrical, this is symmetrical, and this is also. So I just need to shade this particular square in order to be symmetrical, right? So which is option B. Okay. Question number 6. How many triangles are there in the given figure? So we should study this figure and find out number of triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So far 8 triangles, right? 9. Okay, this is 9 and this is 10. This is 11 and this is 12. Okay, so 12 so far. Now let us check और कोई triangle possible है क्या? No, no other triangle is possible. So the answer to this question is 12, which is option B. Question number 7. Select the incorrect option. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Yes. So if we draw an equilateral triangle, it will have 1 line of symmetry, 2 line of symmetry, and 3rd line of symmetry. So yes, an equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry. So yeah, answer correct hai. Cannot be answer to this question. Okay. Next option. A rectangle has opposite sides of equal length. Yes, that is the property of rectangle where the opposite sides are equal to each other. So if I draw a rectangle, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. So this is also correct. A square has no line of symmetry. This is absolutely incorrect. So if I draw a square, I will have one vertical line of symmetry, one horizontal line of symmetry. So that makes it 2. Then this is the 3rd line of symmetry and this becomes the 4th line of symmetry. So there are in all 4 lines of symmetry for square. So it can't have no line of symmetry. So that is why answer is option C. And none of this is not the option. Okay. Question number 8. Which of the following figures has the highest perimeter? So perimeter find out करना है सबका and देखने का कौन सा highest है. So let's check this option. 5 plus 5, 10 and 10 plus 4 is 14. So I जो figure है उसका perimeter आया 14 centimeter. Okay. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So this perimeter is 6 centimeter and 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4 times you have to add, which is, or 4 multiplied by 4, which makes it 16 centimeter. So which means figure 3 has the highest perimeter because we have been asked highest, which is option C. Question number 9. Which line in the given figure is the correct line of symmetry? Okay, so symmetry पे वो अगर हम लोग ने ऐसे fold किया, if we fold a particular figure. Okay, it has to be same, it has to overlap each other. So let us look at all lines of symmetry. I'm starting with AB. So अगर मैंने fold किया यहाँ पे, so ये correct है, this is also there, but this is not same, right? So I can't have AB line of symmetry क्योंकि ये match नहीं कर रहा है, ये match नहीं कर रहा है, बाकी कर रहा है. ठीक है, then let us move to another line of symmetry. Let's take GH. Okay, so over here you're getting same, here also same, यहाँ पे symmetrical है, यहाँ पे भी. Okay, so GH is correct line of symmetry. बाकी lines check करते symmetrical है या नहीं, just to confirm. CD, this is same, but these two are not same, बाकी भी नहीं, so forget about CD. Then EF, line of symmetry nahi hai because these are not overlapping each other if I fold it. Okay, then AB I checked, this I checked, this I checked. Okay, so the correct line of symmetry is GH. Okay, which is option D. Question number 10. IJKL and MNOP are two rectangles. IJKL. This is one rectangle and the other one is MNOP. Okay, so these are two rectangles. Find the length KP. So we have to find this particular length KP. Okay, so we know rectangle will have opposite sides equal, right? Okay, so let us use that property and find the answer. यहाँ पे 8 centimeter has been given, right? So this is 8, which means this particular line will also be 8. So I will write 8 over here. This to this is 8. So LK is 8. Find out क्या करना है, KP, which is this one. Okay. Now another thing is we have been given this LM as 5. Right, this is 5, so which means this has to be 8 minus 5, 3. MK will be this, right? MK, ये 3 centimeter रहेगा. Okay, let me write centimeter also. Now MP will be same as NO. If this is 12, this will also be 12, right? Isn't it? So ये पूरा 12 है, उसमें से this is 3. So what will be this value? 12 minus 3. So KP will be equal to 9 centimeter. Right? So which is option D. 9 centimeter will be value of KP. Moving on to the next question. Question number 11. Study the figure carefully. Which line is parallel to line AB? So this is line AB. Which line is parallel to it and perpendicular to CD? Which is this? ओके, सो पैरेलल लाइंस ऐसे ट्रेन की ट्रैक की तरह दिखेंगे. सो जैसे ए बी है एंड इट्स पैरेलल लाइन विल बी एस टी. एंड हाउ विल परपेंडिकुलर लाइन लुक लाइक? इट विल लुक लाइक अ प्लस साइन. सो एस टी है एंड सी डी, right? So the answer should be ST because this is parallel to AB and also perpendicular to CD. Okay, so that is option A. Question number 12. Diameter of a circle is dash its radius. So when you look at a circle like this, ये जो मिड पॉइंट से पास होने वाली लाइन होती है, ऐसे बहुत सारी लाइंस पास हो सकती है, बट दिस entire thing is called as diameter. Okay. However, the same circle if you look at ये जो मिड पॉइंट है, इसका जो एक पार्ट है ये वाला मिड पॉइंट टू द सर्कल जो लाइंस ड्रॉ होती है, सो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन हैव मैनी. अशोक चक्र में जैसे दिखता है, okay, you can have many. So this is called as radius, and this whole thing which is passing to the midpoint, this is called as diameter. And diameter, as you can see, is made up of two radius, right? One radius and two radius. So diameter is double of its radius. Okay, so if you look at options given is whether it will be less than, no, diameter will not be less than. Whether it will be greater than, yes, definitely, because diameter is double radius, double of the radius, right? So yes, definitely greater than, because diameter will be double of its radius. So greater than should be the answer. Equal to, no. Sometimes less and sometimes equal, no, that is also not correct. So option B is the answer. Let us look at the next question, question number 13. Okay, perimeters of square P and rectangle Q are equal. ओके ये दोनों के पेरीमीटर सेम है स्क्वायर पी और रेक्टेंगल क्यू का. फाइंड द ब्रेथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगल क्यू. सो व्हाट इज ब्रेथ? नाउ दिस पार्ट ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दिस इज कॉल्ड एज लेंथ. ओके उसके लिए एल भी यूज करते हैं टू डिनोट लेंथ, और लेंथ का शॉर्टकट इज एल. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रेथ, उसको बी भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. सो नाउ what has been given is perimeter of this is same as this. Okay, so perimeter of square P, what that will be, that will be 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, because sare sides are equal, right? So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 4 times you will have to add 6, which is 6 multiplied by 4 or 24. So perimeter आ गया 24 centimeter, and this particular perimeter is also of this rectangle, right? So let us write the perimeter of rectangle. It will be this length plus this length, right? ये दोनों को ऐड करना है. So which is 8 plus 8, right? And then breadth plus breadth, which will be b plus b, and that will be equal to same as this 24, because the perimeters are same, right? So that will be equal to 24. 8 plus 8 is 16, and b plus b is 2b. So 2b will be equal to 24 minus 16. So what is 24 minus 16? It is 8, right? So which means b will be equal to 8 upon 2, which is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, and 4 centimeter is option C. So that is why breadth of this particular rectangle Q is 4 centimeter. Question number 14. Veer plotted 3 points on a grid line. 1, 2, 3. So these are 3 points which are plotted by Veer. The 3 points together make a. So if you actually join these, this will become a straight line, right? So 3 points plotted like this, that will make a straight line. Square banega kya? No. For square you will need 4 points anyways, but this cannot form square either. Okay. Triangle, no. Yeah, there are 3 points, but वो लोग एक ही line पे है, all 3 of them. So this will not be a triangle. So answer is option A, straight line. Question number 15. How many cubes are needed to make the given solid? ये जो solid दिया है ये एक cuboid है. इसमें कितने cubes लगे हैं to make this? Okay, so let us start counting. ये एक क्यूब है, राइट? ये वाला 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. ये साइड 12 है, वैसे ही पीछे 12 और रहेगा. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So in order to make this cuboid, you will need 24 cubes, which is option B. Question number 16. Find the perimeter of the shaded part of the given figure. सो ये जो पर्टिकुलर फिगर है इसमें जो शेडेड पार्ट है इसका पेरीमीटर निकालना है. ओके, सो एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड पेरीमीटर, what you should be using what you should be doing is to put numbers or put the length for each of its side. Okay, so ये 1 by 1 centimeter का square है, right? So everything over here is going to be 1 1. So let me start from this one. 1 1 1 1. This will also be 1 1. फिर ये side 1, this 1, this side is also 1, this also 1, this also 1. ठीक है, this one is 1, this one is 1, this one is 1, and this one is 1, this 1 यहाँ पे भी है और ये रह गया, right? ये. Okay, so now what we have to do, just count number of ones over here. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it is 18 centimeter, which is option D. That is the perimeter of this particular figure. Moving on to the next question, question number 17. Which of the following figures have a line of symmetry? ओके, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कौन से फिगर में है जहाँ पे वो सिमेट्रिकल होता है, जहाँ अगर मैं फोल्ड करूँ तो वट एवर इज द शेड और वट एवर इट इज, राइट, इट विल फॉल एग्जैक्टली ऑन ईच अदर, overlap होगा वो shapes. Okay, so let's try with vertical horizontal lines and see whether they are symmetrical. So if I draw something out here, ये symmetrical नहीं रहेगा because this box doesn't have anything over here. If I draw anything vertical, then also it will not be symmetrical. यहाँ पे 3 squares है और यहाँ पे 4. Diagonal तो possible ही नहीं है. Okay, so this doesn't have any line of symmetry. Now this figure, if I do something horizontally यहाँ लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं है, it is not going to help. Vertical पे if I put here, it's also not going to happen. बाकी यहाँ पे diagonally भी if I put like a slanting line, I don't have any line of symmetry. Alright, next one, if I put anything vertical, यहाँ पे box है, यहाँ पे नहीं है, so vertical line of symmetry नहीं है. Horizontal, if I put यहाँ पे box है और यहाँ पे है but यहाँ नहीं है और यहाँ नहीं, so again that is not symmetry. ना इसमें diagonally कुछ possible है, so this also doesn't have a line of symmetry. Let us look at option D. If I put something vertical maybe from here, तो ये overlap होगा, ये overlap होगा, ये होगा, ये होगा. Yes, so this has line of symmetry which is vertical, standing line की तरह. एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल इसमें कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं है बिकॉज यहाँ कुछ नहीं है, इधर मिडिल में भी नहीं कर सकती, इधर भी नहीं. सो ऑप्शन डी हैज़ अ वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. Question number 18. Look at given diagram. Which of the following pairs are perpendicular to each other? So perpendicular line will make a plus sign like this. Okay, so these are perpendicular to each other, or it will make something like this. और इसी को रोटेट करके अलग अलग वेज में चेक कर सकते हैं, बट इट विल मेक समथिंग सिमिलर टू दिस. इसको उल्टा किया तो इट विल लुक लाइक उल्टा टी, राइट? ओके, सो लेट अस लुक एट द ऑप्शंस व्हिच आर गिवन. सी डी एंड जी एच, वो इसमें से कोई भी फॉर्म करता है क्या? वेयर इज सी डी? दिस इज सी डी. वेयर इज जी एच? नो, दे आर इंटरसेक्टिंग ईच अदर एंड जो भी है परपेंडिकुलर नहीं है, वो एक्स फॉर्म हो रहा है इस तरह से, वो भी दबा हुआ है. यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री होना चाहिए ना परपेंडिकुलर लाइन में. यू गेट 90 डिग्री एंगल लाइक दिस. एवरीथिंग इज 90. दिस इज 90 90 90. दिस विल ऑल्सो बी 90. यहाँ पे भी अगर एक्सटेंड करो तो 90 ही बनेगा. सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज नॉट द आंसर. जे के एंड एल एम, वेयर इज जे के and LM, again that is also not making 90 degree angle, so nahi. Then AB and LM. AB. This is AB and this is LM. Yes. एकदम से perpendicular है. So this is like a plus sign, right? ये जो angle है ये 90 का है. So that is why this is a perpendicular these two are perpendicular to each other, so AB and LM should be answer to this question. But let us still look at option D, which is none of these. वो तो possible नहीं क्योंकि हमने already answer निकाल लिया. So C is the answer. Okay, so now let us look at next one, which is question number 19. Find the perimeter of the given figure. So let us look at this figure. इसमें सब में वैल्यूज दिए हैं क्या, सब साइड्स में देखते हैं. So this is given, this is given, this is given, this. Okay, so we just have to add these numbers to find the perimeter. So 14 plus 14, it is 28. 28 plus 10, it is 38. And 38 plus 4, it is 42. 42 plus 5 plus 5, that is 10, it is 52. So answer to this question, the perimeter for this particular figure is option A, 52. Question number 20. Which of the following figures consist of exactly 6 faces? 6 faces का कौन सा figure है, right? So over here दिस इज अ कोन, राइट? यहाँ पे नीचे सरफेस है और ये पूरा वर्टिकल कोन की तरह है. सो 6 तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है यहाँ पे. एंड क्यूब डेफिनेटली हैज 6 फेसेस. सो लेट्स चेक दैट एज वेल. 1 2 3 4 एंड पीछे की तरफ 5 और नीचे की तरफ 6. सो क्यूब विच इज डाइज जब हम सब सीडी ये सब गेम्स खेलते हैं. So this definitely has 6 faces, exactly 6 faces. But let us still look at this. This is a sphere. Um, it's not circle. Circle को इस तरह से देते हैं, but sphere अगर दिखाना है, 3D figure दिखाना है तो ऐसे दिखाया जाता है डॉट डॉट करके. Okay, so this is definitely not going to have 6 faces, and this is a pyramid. 1 2 3 and 4, so this has only 4 faces. So answer is option B, which is a cube. Let us check the next section, everyday mathematics. Question number 21. A rectangular playground rectangle की shape में है, is 120 meter long and 80 meters wide. Okay, so these kind of question, it is always better to actually draw the figure. So this is a rectangle. It is having 120 meter as length and 80 meter as width. Okay, what distance did Avantika cover in going 4 times around this field? So when Avantika is covering 4 times this field, so first round will cover the perimeter, right? And second round भी perimeter cover करेगी, because it will be this plus this plus this plus this, right? And likewise 4 times perimeter cover होगा. So the first thing is to find the perimeter and just simply multiply by 4, because that many number of times she is going to run in order to cover the field. So perimeter इसका आएगा 120 plus 120, 80 plus 80. Okay, so that will be 120 multiply by 2 plus 80 multiply by 2. Okay, or you can even take 2 common and इन दोनों को plus कर सकते हैं. Anyways is okay. Okay, so this is 240 plus 160, right? 240 plus 160. So that added up together, you get the perimeter as 400 meter. That is the perimeter. That is, by running once, she will cover 400 meter, but she is running how many times? 4 times. So this multiply by 4, 400 meters multiply by 4, it will be 1600 meters, which is option B. Question number 22. Varun made a shape by folding the given cupboard along the dotted lines. So he is folding along this dotted line. ये side ऊपर किया, ये side ऊपर किया, ये किया, and then ऊपर से बंद कर दिया. So what is that going to make, right? Which shape did Arun make? So by doing this folding, he will make a cube, which is option C. Okay. And ये सारा base अगर देखा जाए तो all these are squares, right? Yeah. So that way also it's very easy to figure out that this is the answer. Moving on to the next question, question number 23. Sahil has a field in the shape of rectangle. The length of the field is twice its breadth. The breadth is 80 meter. Find the perimeter of the field. So let us make the field. Okay. So the length is twice that of breadth. What is breadth given as? 80 meter. Length is twice of that. So 80 ka twice is 160 meter. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay. From the question, we can make that out. Now we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter can be found out by, you can do 2 times of, you just add these two, which is 160 plus 80. Okay. Same as 2 multiplied by 160 and 2 multiplied by 80. Okay. So alright, so let's add them. 160 plus 80, that is equal to 240. Okay, so 2 multiplied by this is equal to 480. So the answer is 480, which is option B, 480 meters. That is the perimeter of this particular field. Okay, question number 24. Raghav has a garden in the shape of given figure. इस तरह से दिया है. Find the perimeter of this garden. So in this kind of questions, as I mentioned earlier, it is important that we have to check if all the sides have been given or not. Okay, so let us start checking कौन से sides दिए हैं और कौन से sides हमें find out करने हैं through calculation. So I have this as 2 centimeter, I have this as 3 centimeter, this as 3, ये 3 है तो ये भी 3 रहेगा. I'm writing 3 over here. Otherwise, counting में there will be a tendency to miss it. Then this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. This is not given. Let's see how I can find out. This is 9 centimeter. Okay. And this is 5 centimeter. This is not given. But if you can check, this is same as this, right? So this is 2 centimeter. Okay. Alright, so अभी इतना ही बाकी है, which is not given. So if we check, यहाँ पे if I join, just एक dotted line draw करते हैं. Okay, so if I join it over here, this is 5 centimeter. So ये भी 5 ही रहेगा, right? Even this will be 5, right? And this is how much? This is 3 centimeter. So ये भी 3 ही रहेगा. ये 3 है तो ये भी 3 रहेगा. Right? So, which means this is 5, this is 3. I'm writing it inside only for reference. This is 3, this is 5. So 5 plus 3, this makes as 8 centimeter. Okay, और total length 12 है. So यहाँ पे ही अगर 8 centimeter है, so 12 minus 8 should be the length of this, right? So 12 minus 8, which is 4. So अगर ये 4 है तो ये opposite side ये भी 4 centimeter ही है, right? So ये सब हम लोग ने क्यों किया? Just to find this out. This was not given, राइट. सो दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, राइट. ये 3 है, इसको यहाँ पे 3 लिया. ये 5 है, इसको 5 लिया. दैट इज वाई दिस इज 8. The both of them added together. So this will be 12 minus 8, which is 4. Now let us add them so that we can find out the perimeter. 12 plus 2, that is 14. Okay, I'm starting from here. I will end here then. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, this has been given as 3, which is 17. 17 plus 3, that is 20. And 20 plus 3, that is 23. Plus 3, 26. Plus 3, 29. Plus this, which is again 3. So 29 plus 3, that is 32. And 32 plus 4, that is 36. 36 plus 9, right, that makes it 45. 45 plus 5, it is 50. And 50 plus 2, it is 52. So adding all of them together, I get perimeter as 52, which is option D. Okay. Question number 25. For a project, Simi cut a piece of paper into a shape with 4 sides. Okay. But none of them are of same length. What is the shape of the paper? So none of them are of same length. Okay. So length different है. 4 sides है. But rectangle में, if we look at option A, opposite sides are equal. So it can't be a rectangle. Quadrilateral, yes. Quadrilateral is a polygon which is having 4 sides. Okay. So quadrilateral में 4 sides है. So this should be answer to this question. क्योंकि square will also have sides. All sides are same. जबकि यहाँ पे but none of them are of same length. So मतलब same length भी नहीं है. Pentagon will have 5 sides. No. So the answer is quadrilateral, which is option B. Next section, Achievers section, also known as HOTS, and it carries 2 marks in the paper. Question number 26. 5 identical square tiles are pasted into a rectangular piece of cardboard as shown below. So इस तरह से कुछ फिगर बना है. What is the perimeter of the shaded part? So ये जो shaded part है, इसका ही perimeter चाहिए. Okay, so let us look at what all options have been given. Okay, now this is square, right? So these are all square. This is 30 centimeter. This is 45 centimeter. This side is also not given. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 19 दिया है. Okay, but what we have to find out? We have to find out this shaded part का perimeter. One side 45 दिया है, 19 दिया है, बाकी ये कुछ दिए नहीं है. Okay, so let us look at what has been given over here. ये 30 सेंटीमीटर है और ये 45 है. Okay, so which means ये 45 है. This is a rectangular piece, right? So ये 45 तो ये भी 45 रहेगा. उसमें this has been already given as 30 centimeter. So this should be 45 minus 30, which is 15. And why I have found out this? इसकी ज़रूरत क्या है? It is needed for these squares. Because if you notice, now this square is having side as 15. So ये सारा 15 हो जाएगा. Right? So which means this particular one is 15. This side is 15. This side is 15. This side is 15. And this side is 15. Also this one is 15. Alright. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These ones we have got. So अगर steps पे चढ़ोगे, now we don't know this height. This height we don't know. We don't know this height. And ये. But if you notice, ये बराबर half है. ये 15 का half है. So this particular one should be 7.5. Okay, half of 15. This particular point this one, this particular edge should also be 7.5. Okay, so I'm writing it over here, 7.5. This one also 7.5, and this one also 7.5. Okay, so far what all things we have got? We have got these lengths. So this is 15, 15, ये मिल गया, ये मिल गया, ये मिल गया, this one, this one also we got this one, we got this one, we got this one, now we got this one. Now only remaining is this one. Okay, how I'm going to find this out? Now if you notice something, this is 19, ये 15 है तो ये भी 15 रहेगा. इस तरह से I'm going to make some lines over here. Right? If this is 19, which is fine. If this is 15, this is also 15. This to this is also 15. This is also 15. This again is 15, and this part is 15. हमें ये सब मिल गया ना? Okay, so we have now got this. So we just need this to this, right? Which is this to this. इतना ही चाहिए ना हमें? So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4. 15, 4s are 60, and this plus 19 is 79. So now we have got this part also as 79. From here to here. This is 79. So now we just have to add them to get the perimeter. That is, we have to do 79 plus 45 plus 19 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15. Now we also need to add these two. 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15. 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15. इन सबको add करके we have to find the answer. So I am doing the addition now. So resolving it, I get 79 plus 45 plus 19 plus 75. Now what this 75 is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 multiplied by 5, which is 75. And what this 30 is? 7.5 plus 7.5, which is 15. 7.5 plus 7.5, which is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30. So adding all this, I get answer as 248 centimeter as the perimeter of this particular shaded area. Next question, question number 27. How many of the following figures are symmetrical? Okay, so which means we have to look at the line of symmetry for all of them. This is a triangle. I can have one line of symmetry here, one here, and one here. So three line of symmetry is possible. So this is a symmetrical figure. For arrow, vertical line of symmetry will not work, but horizontal will be okay. So if I put a horizontal line of symmetry, इसको fold किया तो ये overlap होगा. For star, let me draw the line of symmetry for all of them. This is for triangle, and this is for this particular line. For star, it will be one vertical line of symmetry, one horizontal line of symmetry, one more diagonally, okay, from here. Then I can even have one more from here, right? So then for you, I can get one line of symmetry vertically, horizontally possible नहीं है. T के लिए भी vertical हो जाएगा line of symmetry. For smiley also vertical. I can't have anything horizontal. Over here vertical possible नहीं है, but horizontal is possible. Here I can have one line of symmetry like this, another one like this. I can even have one line of symmetry like this and one like this. Okay, so basically all of them are symmetrical in some or the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer should be 8. All 8 of them are symmetrical. Okay. Question number 28. The given figure is obtained by placing a rectangle on top of another identical rectangle. The length of the rectangle is 5. So this is 5. Okay. And its breadth is 2 centimeters. So this is 2. Find the perimeter of this particular figure. So we know going to be this is going to be 5 over here. So this is 5, right? वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी 5 ही आएगा. This whole thing will also be 5. Okay. This whole thing will also be 5. And this whole thing will also be 5. So ultimately the perimeter of this particular figure will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That will be 20. Okay. So which is option A. Question number 29. The given figure is made up of 4 identical rectangles. The perimeter of the whole figure is 88. Find the breadth of each rectangle. Okay, so you have been given the length of it, which is 32. Now, the perimeter of this particular thing is 88 centimeter. Okay, so this is 32, which means even this is 32. If this is breadth is B, okay, this everything is going to be B, right? So what will be the perimeter? So let's do the subtraction over here. So we have 88 and we have 32 plus 32, which is 64. Okay, so what is that I get out of this is 8 minus 4 is 4 and this is 24, right? So which means this plus this is 24, isn't it? How many parts are there for B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times B. So if you add B 8 times, it will be 8B. So 8B will be equal to 24. So B will be equal to 24 upon 8. So B will be equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so which is option D. So because they're asking for breadth of each rectangle, it will be this B and that will be option D as 3 centimeter. Moving on to the next question, question number 30. The given figure not drawn to scale is made up of rectangle, square and a triangle. Not drawn to the scale मतलब एकदम से proportionately ऐसे बनाया नहीं है, which means कि जैसे you can see that 7 centimeter actually looks bigger than 9 centimeter और 4 और 9 भी सेम है, तो ऐसे स्केल लेके छोटा बड़ा करके नहीं बनाया है. Okay, find the perimeter of this particular figure. So ये rectangle, square or triangle दिया है, we have to find the perimeter of this particular figure. Okay, so as you can see, this is 7, so this will be also 7, right? Okay, 7 7 ये हो गया, and then 4 this has been given, 9 is given. So ये अगर 9 है तो उसका opposite side this also will be 9, 9 9. ठीक है, this is 15, this is 12 and this is 5, fine, and this is 7. Now what is remaining which we don't have is this particular one. So इसके लिए the best way to do is ये जो lines होती है इनको ऐसे extend करना चाहिए. Okay, so as you notice this is a square, 9 centimeter. If this is 9, this is also 9 and this is also 9. So if this is 9, ये तो एक rectangle बन गया ना. So this particular part over here till this, okay, this to this will also be 9. तो हमें ये मिल गया. Now this is 9. If you notice this is 4. If this is 4, this will be also 4, right? Alright, now this is 5. This will be also 5, right? So let's see if we have got all the sides and whether we can calculate the perimeter. I have this one, I have this one, I have this one, this one, this, this, and now I have this one as well. So which is 4 plus 5, which is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So this entire thing is 18. So what I just need to do is now add these ones. Okay. So let me add them. So adding all of them, 18 plus 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7, I get perimeter as 86 centimeter, which is option D. So with this we completed our chapter. Moving to the table of content, let me put a tick mark on chapter 5 that yes, this has been done as well. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point in time. Please show your love and support with the subscription to my channel Loft Academia. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye bye.